Hi there, are you thinking how to make the world a better place? The world is an awfully big place, and there are accordingly a huge number of things that you can do to make it an even more incredible place to live. But sometimes having so many options can be overwhelming, and there may be ways that you can help that you never thought about before. Firstly, improving locally is to be a volunteer. Volunteering with a local charity is a great way to improve the world around you. 2. Reduce your impact. Another way to really make the world a better place is to reduce the negative impact you have on the world around you. 3. Be civically engaged. Exercise your right to vote. 4. Make a statement with what you buy. With companies, your money talks, so shout as loud as you can. 5. Take pride in where you live. Take care of and take pride in the area where you live. 6. Donate to the right charities. If you want to help people across the world, it's important to give to charities that provide the right kind of help. 7. Buy fair trade. Fair trade certified products are guaranteed to have been produced under humane conditions for worker. 8. Invest your money. Sometimes, all a third world or disadvantaged community needs is a chance for their own economy to flourish. 9. Protect the environment. Do things that help the environment globally. 10. Reduce waste. Don't eat more than you need to, don't buy a bunch of junk that you don't need, and avoid buying new clothes every year. 11. Donate feminine hygiene products. In many disadvantaged countries, like many regions in India and Africa, women do not have access to sanitary feminine hygiene products. 12. Improving at home is to be a nice person. Set a good example for your friends and family members.